Hey there! If you've ever tackled a construction project, whether it's a small home reno or a massive commercial build, you know there's a lot to keep track of. But don't worry. Today, we're breaking it all down into 7 clear stages. Knowing these steps can help you stay organized, keep things running smoothly, and avoid costly surprises. Let's dive in. First up, concept and planning. This is where your big idea starts to take shape. At this stage, developers and owners work with architects or consultants to figure out what's possible, what it'll cost, and how long it'll take. It's also when initial permits are secured to make sure everything complies with regulations. Think of this step as laying down a solid foundation, not for the building yet, but for the whole project. Next is design and development. This is where the vision turns into actual plans, blueprints, material choices, structural designs, you name it. Architects and engineers work closely with the owner and sometimes specialists like civil or mechanical engineers to lock in all these details. Alright, now that we've got the plans, it's time to get everything ready to build. This stage, pre-construction, is where the general contractor or project manager steps in. They handle contracts, put together a detailed schedule, and bring on subcontractors and suppliers. This is when all the puzzle pieces start to come together so the actual construction can begin. Now we're in the procurement phase. Sounds fancy, but really it's just about making sure you have everything you need, materials, equipment, and skilled labor, so there aren't any delays once construction starts. Procurement specialists usually handle this part, making sure everything arrives on time and meets the project specifications. This is the stage everyone thinks of when they hear construction. It's where all the planning turns into action. The general contractor oversees the schedule, everything from site prep and laying the foundation to framing, wiring, and finishing work. This phase is all about keeping things on schedule, managing crews, and handling inspections to make sure everything is done right. Alright, the building is up, but we're not done yet. Post-construction is all about making sure everything is ready for turning the building over to the owner. That means final inspections, walkthroughs, and fixing any last-minute details. The general contractor usually leads this step, working with the owner and inspectors to make sure the project is truly finished and ready to use. And finally, maintenance. Once the project is complete, the owner takes over. Regular upkeep, repairs, and inspections keep everything running smoothly for years to come. Facility managers or maintenance teams handle this part, making sure the building stays safe, functional, and in good condition over time. So there you have it, the 7 key stages of construction. Whether you're managing a project yourself or just curious about how things work, knowing these steps helps to keep things on track. And if you want an easy way to manage all of this, tools like TeamGantt make planning, scheduling, and tracking super simple. TeamGantt helps you to stay on top of every stage, from pre-construction planning to tracking progress during the build. It keeps your team organized and your project on schedule, all in one easy-to-use platform. Check it out at TeamGantt.com. Thanks for hanging out. If you found this video helpful, please like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your construction projects smoother and more successful. See you next time.